Hey traders, so welcome back to Trade Like a Pro Forex channel, and for today I'll be talking to you about the weekly market analysis. So starting off, we have the dollar index, and we can clearly see a 618 retracement onto previous structure. So these should project a move upside towards the next resistance area at the 92.2 level. So from now to then, we are actually looking for buy opportunities towards the USD or US currency. So first up, we have the Aussie dollar. A support area can be seen over here at this level, and we can actually extend to the left as well to cover this point. So with this projection, or with this current bearish momentum, we are likely to see a move towards this support zone, and it will test this crucial area. So we would like to see what happens at this zone, and if prices fail to hold, resulting in a breakthrough, we can wait for a retest or an entry, and this should move prices towards the next support area over here. So we look at our range, we should have at least 45 pips. So next up, we have Bitcoin, and over here we have a support area. So you can see here would be the origin of the breakout, and our resistance area would be at the $61,000, and current price structure would be over here. So if we see a breakthrough out of this level, we have this amount of movement to capture, and if prices comes back to make a double bottom, we can actually capture a move upside towards previous high as well over here. And if we see a breakdown from here, we have a move towards the previous support level at 57,500. So see, we can capture small movements like this, and the most ideal situation over here would to be creating a double bottom over here. Next, for Euro Pound, we have a breakdown zone over here. You can see this area is the origin of the breakdown, and if we drop down to the hourly time frame, we have a huge bullish rally over here, and prices are now retesting a nice structure, forming a potential double bottom at a 50% retracement level. So if we see prices breaking this resistance here, we can look for a long if we get a pullback for better risk to reward. So if you can see, our range would be about 27 pips, while we will be risking about 10 to 11 pips. So this is more than a 1:2 trade. The next pair that we will be talking about would be the euro dollar. We will mark out the support zone over here as well as this support zone. So with current price action, we are likely to see a retest onto previous structure, and we want to see if this zone actually holds. So if it doesn't, we will see a breakdown and capture a retest shot towards this support area over here, and we can capture at least a 36 pip move. However, if prices actually holds at this support level, look for a depletion of bearish momentum and a double bottom formation over here. So with this, we can look for a long position towards previous high. We can actually aim for this level or actually this previous high over here. Next, we have the pound yen. We can clearly identify a support area here and a resistance area over here. So with current price action, you can see that there is a depletion of bullish momentum. And if we see a move moving into our resistance zone, followed by a strong breakdown, clearing this support over here, we can look for shorting opportunities based on this double top formation. And these could actually move towards at least this minor support, and even to the next major support level over here. However, if we see a breakout from here, we can capture a retest and take a long position. Next, we have the dollar Swiss franc. You can see that we have a resistance area here, and some of you may actually call this an inverse head and shoulders. So this would be the left shoulder, this would be the head, creating the neckline, and this would be the right shoulder. So how do we trade this pattern? We look for a breakout and a retest. So this shoulder is actually valid as long as prices doesn't break this right shoulder. So look for long positions anywhere within this range. So lastly, for UJ, we can identify a resistance area here on the daily. So dropping down to the hourly time frame, we still have some room to capture for about 36 pips on a 1 hour time frame, which is very possible. So what we'd like to see would be a retest onto the broken high over here. So if we see a retest, we can actually capture a long position towards the 109.6 area.